Hi there, I'm Miriam and welcome to Miriam's Manor. So today, you guys, is the final day to submit your 2024 Christmas Village contest entries. I will be receiving submissions until 11:59 p.m. tonight, Mountain Standard Time. So as of 6:45 this morning on December 1st, I have responded to every email submission that has been sent thus far. Please check your email throughout the day today and make sure you received an email from me saying your submission has been received and I was able to download it. There were a few of you that I was having trouble downloading your link. So if you were one of those too, please make sure to check your emails so that you can resubmit your entry to me before the end of the day today. So for those of you who have not yet submitted entries, and you will be, listen up because this part of the video is for you. Please do not send me multiple emails for the same category submission. Please do not send me an email saying, can you confirm if you got this? Send one email only. I will be checking my email throughout the day today, responding back to emails that you guys are sending throughout the day. I will also be doing one final last check at 9:00 p.m. tonight to respond back to all of your email submission thus far today. You guys, I have a very hectic day. I have several appointments, so I'm not going to be able to respond back to you within 5 to 10 minutes or even 1 hour when you send me your email. I am asking for your patience in advance and letting you know that by 9 p.m. tonight, I'm going to sit through and go through every single submission that I've received. If you send me an email after 9 p.m. tonight, so between 9 o'clock and midnight, I am not responding back to you. I will respond back to you and confirm your submission first thing tomorrow morning. So please keep that in mind as we're going throughout the day today. And I will do my best to respond back as quickly as I possibly can. So if you guys have any questions for me, please do not email me. Make a comment on this video so that I can get back with you here. And for those of you who may already know the answer to a question that you may see in the comment section, if you could help me out today and respond back to those questions, I would greatly appreciate it. That way they can get their answer sooner than what I might be able to provide. So that is all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, again, leave it in the comment section. I will be releasing the first video on December 3rd. So just in a couple of days. So you guys will be able to check it out sooner than later. And let me tell you guys, we've got some good entries. I have been able to watch a few of yours and oh my goodness, they are so good. And several of you submitted for the very first time. I'm seeing a lot of new contest entries this year, which is super exciting. So I can't wait to share them with you guys. So that's all I have for you. So until I see you again, stay safe, God bless you, and I will see you soon. Bye.